Hello guys, how you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an effective skin repair and exfoliating herbal black soap. So this is a video you want to watch till the end. The first thing you're going to do is to get a clean mortar, then you pound your fenugreek. So once it's well pounded, you pound your cloves. Rosemary and black seed, then you add your cinnamon stick and pound everything together. So if you have a grinder, you can just add all the spices or herbs, then you grind together. So as you guys can see, the spices or herbs is fully grinded. So add your shea butter, so the next thing is to add raw African black soap. So you just have to crumble it like so. Add your neem powder, turmeric powder, milk powder, add your argan oil and jojoba oil. Add honey, add orange juice, then you pound. So you have to pound to incorporate very well. So the ingredients will mix with the black soap. Just have to take your time so that it will blend very well. Which could take you about 15 to 20 minutes. So as you guys can see, our soap is coming together. Just make sure you pound very well. So the next thing we are going to add is preservative, of course, to prolong the shelf life of this soap. So then you mix, incorporate. So guys, our soap is ready. Hope you guys are seeing our soap. Transfer into a clean container. Guys, this soap is what you want to try out. This soap will help repair your skin. If you have a bleached skin, uneven skin tone, this soap will help to do the job. So if you are looking for that soap that will help repair your skin, brighten your skin, exfoliate your skin, this is a soap you want to try out. and you can get the herbs from people that sell herbs in the market. Guys, are you seeing our soap? Our soap is ready. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.